Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a design of steel pipe elbow which is made up of cast iron. You can see here. Earlier I have made this suspension component drawing design by using Sweat Boss. Now this also is same. Only difference is that it is from vertical and horizontal axis. This is circular in shape. This is a quarter circle shape. So I will start to make it. Select new part. Okay. Take front plane sketch. Make two lines of different direction. That is, first in vertical direction to origin. Second is horizontal direction to origin. Apply dimensions here. Take this vertical line as 150 mm. 150 mm. And this line take 145 mm. Okay. Select fillet 90 mm. Okay. Exit the sketch. Take reference geometry plane. Take this line. Select this point as a second reference. Click OK. Select this plane. Sketch. Normal to profile. Select circle from command manager. Take this circle, start from the origin point. Give this circle a dimension 97 mm diameter. Okay. Exit. Make sure that the line will be continuous. To make Sweat Boss, select Sweat Boss base, profile as a circle, path as a this sketch. See, our Sweat Boss is made. Click OK. Show this second sketch, first sketch. Now again select plane, sketch, make one circle. So that it will make a hollow sketch. Now this circle will be 65 mm diameter. Okay. Exit. Use swept cut. Already the sketch was selected for profile circle. Now select path line. Okay. Our hollow component has been made. Now hide this plane 1. Select this hollow section. Sketch. Normal to profile. Circle. Convert entities. Convert this projection line of bigger circle. Select diameter. Exit. 25 mm thickness will be okay. For upper portion, select sketch this plane, hollow section plane. Normal to profile, circle, make this diameter as 2 to 5 again. Okay, exit the sketch, extrude as same procedure. Change this direction from reverse direction downwards. Thickness will be 25 mm. Click OK. Now hide this sketch 1. For rib I will choose front plane sketch, normal to profile, select line, give the dimensions from point to this point. Height will be 40 mm and distance will be 30 mm. Make sure that for rib the line will be just little bit inside of the model, inside of the extrude material, so that rib will be properly be made. Now confirm this sketch. Take rib command from command manager, from features. This goes outside, so I will flip the material side inside. Thickness will be 10 mm as shown in figure, 2D drawing figure. Click OK. Our rib has been made. I want to make 4 ribs in this section, so I will choose linear pattern. From linear pattern select circular pattern, rib already selected. Choose the direction. I will choose this edge of this circle, extruded circle. See, it automatically selected. Number of instance it will be 4. Click OK. Again I have to make ribs here, so I will choose front plane sketch, normal to profile, select line, make a dimension 25 mm. Neck 25 mm. OK. Confirm this sketch. Make a rib. Flip the material inside. Thickness will be same 10 mm. Click OK. Our rib has been made. Now again select circular pattern. Instantaneous will be edge of the circle. Instantaneous 4. Click OK. So our second rib pattern have been made. Now here it says 4 holes on diameter of diameter 15. PCD will be 185 from top of this extruded boss. So I will select this plane, sketch, normal to profile. Take circle from origin point. With this circle as for construction. Give dimension as 185 mm diameter. OK. Takes again circle, smaller circle, smart dimension. Make this circle dimension as 15 mm diameter. OK. Select circular sketch pattern. Now here PCD will be again this only, edge of the circle. Entities to pattern this circle. Instantaneous will be 6. OK. Exit. Now choose extrude cut from features. Cut will be 25 mm blind. Click OK. Select display sketch, horizontal plane, normal to profile. Take circle. Make this circle as construction circle. OK. Give dimension 185 mm diameter. OK. Take this circle again. It should be vertical to the origin of point. Smart dimension. Diameter will be 15. OK. Use circular sketch pattern. Entities of pattern will be sketch circle diameter 15 mm. Instantaneous will be 5 now on this. Earlier it was 6, but now we have to choose 5. OK. Exit. Again choose extrude cut. Blind will be 25 mm cut. So click OK. Now our model has been made. You can, it's a last, it says only elbow made up of cast iron, so I will apply material on our solid model. So here material is not specified given, so click on right click, edit material, choose iron, grey cast iron, or or any of this, but I will prefer grey cast iron. Here it gives some properties and its value and its unit. You can also check this. Click apply, then close. See, our whole model has been made. I hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and more projects. Thank you.